All right, guys. Well, here we are in Hatboro, PA. This is the bar we delivered in December. We finally got back here to get the roof done and the electrical done, and this bar is a wrap. So let me take you over there. Let me get past my Patty Faye. Patty was here helping. She held the chairs down today. And there's a face from the past. There's Krabby.
He helped me help the chairs.
Yes, Larry helped the chairs sit down. Well, here we go, guys. You guys remember this in the shop from last winter. There's the girls. There's the newest addition to the Tiki Kev
Tiki
crew.
Fam? How are you?
He's going to steal the show one day. That's Carter, everybody.
Nice to meet y'all.
And
Here.
what's the name of this? The
Navstar Bar.
Navstar Bar.
Navstar
And if you
Bar.
guys remember, we did a pour on finish.
Oh, sorry. Don't remember the finish. Oh, there you go. Navstar Bar. That's where the name came from.
Navstar Bar. And if you guys remember, we got the crate lid from Japan back in what, 1960 what? 1967. We made it the front of the bar. Oh, that's the year Alyssa was born.
Karen's older. Yeah.
I'm gonna trip and break my neck. Anyway, it's got a 6x8 synthetic thatched roof on. I don't know if you guys can see with the sun glare, but it's the Endura Reed Viva 3.0. And yeah, I'm a little tired today. I don't know why. Maybe I had one too many bourbons yesterday, or maybe it was sake. I don't know. But anyway, this one's a wrap. And there's a little. Can I see behind the shelf or behind the bar real quick? We got cabinets, a little shelf back there, and rope lighting. Oh, there we go. Yep. All right. So this is the first official install of 2025.
Oh, wow.
Now we're heading to Myrtle Beach, probably next week. All right. Let me see. Let me get an expanded view here. 80-some degrees today. What is it? Still in March, aren't we? Finally had some good weather. Okay, guys. Huh?
Yeah. She's got your spot. Yeah.
She does look like a natural. She's pouring. She's pouring. What kind of shots you making?
Fireball.
Fireball shots.
Right up Fireball. Initiation.
All right.
Officially opening of the Navstar Bar.
All right.
Shots of Fireball for all those involved.
Sounds good. All right. So we're going to check out here, and we'll see you in the shop next week. So from Hatboro, PA, Tiki Kev crew, Karen and Alyssa, Tiki Kev out.